Alright, here we go. Slick River crossing. Okay. Here we are crossing the river. It's pretty good right there, Justin. Cassie, we gotta get you a stick. Here, use that as a third arm.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, my legs are just shaking, finding a footing.
Yeah, well, that third leg is worth every penny. Yeah.
No cotton.
Good job, girl.
Yeah, thanks.
I don't know if we got to cross anything right over here or not. All right.
Just worry about that old boy.
Yeah, I'm going to go out there and drop my pack, just make sure he gets across there, all right?
Rocks don't have the best traction.
No. All right. Yeah, you'll be all right. Just make sure your footing's good. All right, just come right through here. Just take your time, make sure your footing's good. You're doing good. All right. Just make sure your footing. Just make sure your footing's good. Yeah. You're all right. Use them sticks. You're all right. Just make sure that you got them sticks planted. Don't take any loose footage till you know where your foot's going. There you go. If you walk fast, you'll fall. But make sure your foot's planted. There you go. And then put your foot down in there. Up, 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 up. Yeah. You're all right. You're good. Just take your time. You got all poly on, you'll be good. No. Cassie did, but it's good right through there. All right. Norm, what do you got to say for yourself?
Well, this is cold.
Norm.
I much prefer hikes where you don't have to cross a river.
Uh-huh. All right, just make sure you land every foot right.
How wet does Kristen get?
Not too bad. Uh-huh.
You have to do this 4 times?
Well, we got to at least do this one more time. This part.
Kristen, you need to sit down so you can pack off.
All right. Give yourself a good shake.
Guys, I got bad news. Crossed the place, Mark.
Did we?
Yeah, we got to go back.
I can't put down my pack.
We'll see you over there.
Yeah. Is there water on that side too? I mean, our trail's right here, guys. That's Richmond Creek. Our trail's right there. All right. We got to go up there.
Where?
Right up there.
At the base of that.
That's Richmond Creek. Okay. All right. I guess I'll change over to my other goodies here. All right, take it off and give it a good shake. Yeah. Go ahead and unroll your pants.
Were your socks in here?
All right. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Go around if you want to put your pants off, I'll get them out real good. Nobody will see you, but you got to get them dry.